I'm Yovita Bava and I'm a developer advocate for Facebook open source. Today, I'm going to explain the project Pyre to you like you're 5 years old. So let's go. Pyre is a static type checker for large Python code bases that works in your favorite editor to automatically flag type errors. It's optimized for near instant responses so that you get immediate feedback even when working with millions of lines of code. Pyre analyzes code incrementally, so even if you're not fully committed to static typing or have an existing code base that you intend to convert over time, you can still get results. Pyre is a security-focused tool built on top of Pyre, and we recommend using both for any current or future projects you're building in Python. Pyre was open sourced in May 2018, and we use it extensively to maintain the code bases of Facebook and Instagram. For more information, visit the Pyre website to get extensive documentation or check out its GitHub repo to learn about how to set up a project and how to run Pyre. If you'd like to know more about Pyre on this channel, give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.